Hello.
Hello.
Danny and I are in Owen Sound.
We're in Owen Sound.
We're in Owen Sound. We were on a trip together and we decided to hit up, there's a cluster of thrift stores in the area. So excited. I know. And we've never thrifted together. We're very excited because since both of us all are in it for the home stuff right now, right? So we're going to go check out the home stuff. This Value Village is huge.
Let's go thrifting.
Let's go thrifting. Look, they have an entire aisle just for trinkets. Oh no. Do I want an ashtray for no reason? The Sorry Girls are on their way here as well, and because we got here first.
So it's a fight.
Yeah, it's a fight.
For the good
I should text them and be like, you better hurry up because I'm taking all the good stuff. There's this pig, and then there's this pig. If I ever had this many tea lights, and it's only $4.99. Danny found this. Oh, the black. Danny.
Dying. But also,
what a find!
Yeah.
Look, there's another one. This one's not as nice as the gold one, but these heavy canvas. Ow! Holy hell! Can you imagine this?
Give this a new color.
I remember seeing those.
Holy Hannah! Look at the incandescent on it. It's gorgeous.
The little pearly. One of those pendant lamps
right here.
Letitia. We're 2 stores down and half a truck full already. Last stop. This would pull me right in.
Let's go!
Oh, look! Great Canadian retail outlet. Home decor furniture.
Well, we're going.
Hello. This is amazing. They shouldn't have left this outside. It's $2, Danny! Oh my gosh. So many things. Kind of like a local Home Sense.
Yeah.
Everything is new, right? But it's outlet. Danny has a thing for written sayings on plaques. She absolutely loves them.
Oh my god, I hate you so much.
Live the life you love the life you live. I mean, it's not that much cheaper.
No.
Whoa.
Whoa. This is cool.
Yeah, mesh or even cane, like the cane DIY that you did.
Yeah.
This would be better.
Actually, you replace this out with the cane.
Yeah.
And then paint this. It would look so cute.
Even switching out the knobs, I think, would do better.
There they are again, right? See these plates? I'm like, there's gotta be something with them.
Okay. In the last video, I was like, I really shouldn't be thrifting any more things.
The last thing I need to do is add things to my moving list.
And then
Danny and I, when we were out of town, of course we have to thrift. The best places to thrift are outside of the city. So these are the things that I ended up with. I tried my best to be minimal. Got the snuffer, except the snuffer was $7.99. I think it'll be nice for outdoors. Just an accent piece. And then I left the snuffer in Danny's car. And Danny lives the opposite end of the city of me. The Value Village, I think, was the best place. It was huge. It had everything. But I found that in Owen Sound, a lot of the thrift stores tend to merchandise the same way. They put an emphasis on religious sections. A lot of printed plates where like people give anniversary plates, birthday plates, christening plates. I also picked up a dimpled vase. I have a lot of these. Just think that they're great pieces to layer on a shelf. You don't need to put anything in them. You can put something in them. I'm also a sucker for checkered stuff. I think I want to get a checkered rug. So this is just a decorative box container. Oh, it was made in England. Now this is a super special piece. It is some kind of container, perhaps for jewelry storage. Shell-shaped, oh! Shell-shaped things are very popular right now, and this dish is just divine. If it had a hinge, it'd be even better. And then just for funsies, Bob's Butts. I couldn't help it. I had to get it. And then the only clothing thing I got was a two-piece suit set. I'm going to turn the skirt into a pair of shorts, but love the color of the blazer, like the oversized fit. This is something that if you're looking for oversized jackets right now, which is very on trend, definitely hit up the thrift store. Yeah, absolutely will be heading out of town more to go to the thrift store and get some good gems. If you're just as excited as I am to see more home content, you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Letitia, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!